Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the watermark at the camera of this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we have to go to the more advanced settings of this camera. So we go to the left corner here. By tapping on this we get access to the camera settings, and when we want to go to the camera watermark we have to slide down to the useful features. And as you can see, at the last position we have the watermark, so we can easily turn it on and turn it off by using this button. But when we want to customize it, we have to click for a moment by the center of this line. And as you can see here, we can also turn on and turn off the camera watermark, and also change the watermark with the second line. So the Samsung triple camera stays, but shot with my Galaxy A60 we can easily change. So I'm going to change it to shot by hard reset. And also it generates us the preview at the moment. So now I'm going also to take a picture to show you how it works. And we go to the preview here, and as you can see the watermark is here, Samsung triple camera and shot by hard reset. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.